One of Governor Imelda Anguing Quibranza de Maporo's most significant contributions to Lanao del Norte is the Mindanao Civic Center.
It was difficult building the MCC. There were obstacles, but because of the lobbying skills of my parents, especially my mother, she personally went to see President Erap Estrada. President Erap Estrada committed to complete the Mindanao Civic Center. And then it was an even bigger challenge for Gov. Anguing to bring the Palarong Pambansa to the MCC. Nobody wanted to go to Lanao del Norte because mga taga Luzon, taga Visayos, takot sila. No? Even from other parts of Mindanao, they did not want to go to Lanao del Norte. So what we had to jump-start it when the MCC was built was the Mindanao Friendship Games. To show that we can have sports here and it will be peaceful and uneventful. Nothing bad will happen. But